Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce SSL setup time with GoDaddy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reduce SSL setup time with GoDaddy, first, log in to your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the My Products section on the dashboard. Locate the domain for which you want to set up SSL. Click on the Manage button next to the domain. Scroll down to find the SSL Certificates section. Select Get Started for the SSL certificate you wish to use. Choose the type of SSL certificate that best fits your needs. Proceed by clicking on Continue. If you haven't purchased an SSL certificate yet, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Once purchased, choose the domain you want to secure with the SSL certificate. Verify your domain ownership, which is essential for SSL issuance. You can select between email verification or DNS verification for ownership confirmation. If you choose email verification, check your email for a confirmation link. For DNS verification, add the provided TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. After verifying ownership, go back to the SSL management page. Click Issue Certificate after the verification process is complete. This action triggers the generation of your SSL certificate. Once issued, download the SSL certificate file from the management page. Next, return to your hosting account or server where the website is located. Access the control panel to upload the SSL certificate. Follow the hosting provider's instructions for proper installation. Ensure that you also upload the intermediate certificates if required. After installation, test your website for SSL functionality. Check for the padlock symbol in the browser's address bar. Verify that all pages of your website are accessible via HTTPS. If you experience issues, return to the SSL management page for troubleshooting. Congratulations, you've successfully reduced your SSL setup time with GoDaddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.